What is the difference between good and great? Watch this.
So when I was working at Ralph Lauren, we had weekly meetings and fitting on a model. A model would come in, we would try on the latest samples, jackets, dresses, and so on. One day, we had this new jacket, and the model puts it on, and Ralph says, that lapel should be 1/8 of an inch smaller. I was so young and naive, and I didn't know. I'm thinking, well, 1/8 of an inch, who's gonna know the difference? 1/8 of an inch, right? Anyway, so took notes, went back to the sample room, told the tailors and the seamstress what to do, and so on. Fast forward, many years later, I am teaching at the Fashion Institute one day, and in my classroom, I got my 17, 18 students around my table. I'm doing a demo, and I'm telling them this story. And, and I told them that sometimes, a little difference, like 1/8 of an inch, makes a difference. Anyway, so I do my demo, I tell the story, they go back to their desks and they continue with their work. And I'm walking around the classroom to see how they're doing. And one student, this one girl, was writing something on her hand. So she's writing something and I'm going, what are you doing? And she showed it to me and it said, the difference between good and great is 1/8 of an inch. Welcome to
Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.